Well, welcome to Fun Things. Can you believe it? A week ago, I was doing a live stream of a snowstorm. Today, we're just about 80 degrees. And look at most of the snow is gone. Holy cow. Yeah, look at that. Oh, man. Unbelievable. Well, see, whenever you get snow in March, it does not last very long. Look, there's a squirrel nest up in the tree. Oh, boy. Yep. Boy, I can't think of what that one town is that's just south of Wabasha, Minnesota, along the Mississippi River. They got 25 inches of snow, and I bet you they probably 5 inches left, I bet, of snow on the ground. Or it could be just like this. Who knows? Can't think of what the name of that town was. But it's down by the Mississippi, along the Mississippi River in southern Minnesota, which is about half an hour or so past Red Wing, Minnesota. Yeah, well, there you go. All the snow is, oh boy, almost gone. It's supposed to be a lot cooler tomorrow, though. Only going to be a high of 43 tomorrow. And 50 degrees by Wednesday. So won't be quite as warm as it was today, but hey, at least we got a little bit of taste of summer. Well, anyway, there's an update what it looks like a week later after that snowstorm we had last weekend. So there you go. Well, anyway, thanks for watching Fun Things, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.